We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of InkSonic R1390, A3, DTF printer, T-shirt printing machine, consists of the following features. Print head protection system. 3-in-1 white ink circulation, mixing and filtering system to prevent the print head from being clogged by white ink. The moisturizing device ensures that even if the printer is not used for a long time, the inside of the print head can still remain moist to prevent clogging. Air suction. Adjustable speed air suction system guarantees a seamless transfer film experience, effortlessly preventing wrinkles or warped edges during printing process. It could also avoid the print head scratched by the DTF film, because the material on the film could corrode the print head if they touch each other. Versatile fabric application. Compatible with a wide ranges of fabrics from cotton and polyester to leather, denim, and athletic mesh. The applications include t-shirts, hats, handbags, pillows, shoes, socks, hoodies, cushions, and more. Maximum print width, 12-inch or 30 cm. You can make unique t-shirts within 10 minutes. Easy to use. The InkSonic R1390 DTF printer is a cost-effective A3 printer for printing custom designs on transfer films, which can be heat-pressed onto garments like cotton, polyester, and more. Perfect for both beginners and professionals, it delivers vibrant and durable results. New users are strongly encouraged to read the manual carefully before use, and our customer support team is available via email or live chat to assist with any questions. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.